Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. It's really hot out, but I have to wear a friggin' hat. Right now, this is the closest one that I could find. My grays are out of control. And my hair dye was like back ordered. It's like, what? Like who's dyeing their hair purple? Actually, a lot of people I've seen lately have purple hair. And it's kind of crazy. But yeah, I had to order hair dye. It's not coming for another like 2 days. So I'm like, oh my gosh, my grays. I need to cover it. I need to cover my grays. All right. You guys don't care, do ya? Reselling Q&A. First question, hey Vanessa, I just checked my counter offers on Posh to see if they had been seen yet. What? You can do that? Hold on, stop. You can see if a potential buyer, my hair is just, you can see if a potential buyer has seen your counter offer. And there's now a button for you to accept their last offer. I find this very interesting, especially since they were lowball offers. What? First of all, hold on, I didn't know you could check to see if a buyer had seen your last offer. I did not know that. And I did not know that there's now a button to accept their last offer. Like, this is all new. I'd have to scroll back for like some lowball offers. That's weird. Did you guys know that? Did you guys know that you can see when a buyer, why? Is this person telling the truth? Is this a real thing? Because I haven't heard of this. You know, it's like on a text message, you can see if somebody reads your text. What? No. Hold on. Are you talking about Poshmark? Are we talking about Poshmark? Are we? It doesn't specify. Oh yeah, on Posh. It does say Posh. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. This person, D Twice in the Sun. If you're watching this video, can you explain a little bit more? Because I'm confused. If any of you guys know if these things are possible, comment down below. I have not seen either of these things, so I don't know. Hi beauty, I follow you on YouTube and was hoping you might be able to help my friends with something. We created a Poshmark for them today, and for some peculiar reason when I search their Posh names it shows 0 results, as if the accounts don't exist. Neither of them can like or follow any items or Poshers, as the Posh system automatically unfollows the Poshers and unlikes the items instantly. What? It cannot even change their profile photos. The system prompts them to contact Posh support when they attempt to save a profile photo on their account. Do you have any idea as to why this is happening and any tips on how to solve these issues? I've showed them how to contact Poshmark support, but as we both know, sometimes the waiting game is a long one when waiting for a reply from Posh. So I thought maybe you'd be able to offer a bit of help. Thank you in time. Thank you. I can't read. Thank you for time in advance. Okay, weird. That's weird. First thought is because maybe it's a new account, they're not able to do anything. I don't know. I feel like Poshmark maybe thought it was a spam account and they like restricted their account. Those are the first two things that I thought of immediately. I don't know. I've never heard of that happening. So I can't really offer anything except those things that I just said. Yeah, I guess you just gotta wait and see what Poshmark says. I got this comment from you a while ago, so maybe things have been figured out since then. If you're watching this, Fashion Skrilla, comment down below and let me know. But yeah, I've never heard of that happening. Again, I could only think they would do that because maybe they thought it was a spam account. But you said you were helping your friends with something. You created a Poshmark for them today. And you searched their Posh names, so it's plural. Did you create them using the same IP address? Maybe Poshmark is cracking down. They think like, I don't know. I don't know. I honestly don't know. You're gonna have to wait to hear from Poshmark support. I honestly have no idea. I'm sorry. Next question. What do you do when a buyer messages you after they've purchased something from you and accepted it and they want to return something? I mean, 9 times out of 10, I'll be like, sis, already can't happen. You know, it really all depends on the reasoning, I guess. Once they accept a sale on Poshmark and on Mercari too, I don't know. Well, eBay, you don't like accept a sale. So I definitely know on Poshmark and Mercari, once you accept a sale, that's final. There are some circumstances where, you know, you can contact Poshmark and tell them, hey, you know, whatever is going on, this person wants a refund. So yeah, I feel like it would have to be like a pretty good reason as to why they want to return it. If it's because of fit, I would say no. Am I a snob for not wanting people to return things because they don't fit them? Am I a snob for that? I don't know. I get so irritated on eBay. I had one return case where the girl was like, it doesn't fit me. I'm like, And this is when I had turned on returns. Like when I first started my eBay account, eBay account, I didn't accept returns. And then my husband was like, well, maybe you should turn it to accepting returns and see, you know, if maybe you'll get more sales that way. And I haven't really noticed a difference since doing that. I got a return for fit and I was just kind of like, I don't know. I feel like if you don't know if something's going to fit you, you shouldn't be buying secondhand. You should be going into a store and trying shit on. You know, easier said than done in some cases, I know. But yeah, you know, if you're really concerned about fit, you shouldn't be buying it secondhand and online. You know, you try to try it on or maybe, you know, ask for measurements. I don't think this person asked for measurements. I think she just asked for inseam length and it was the waist that didn't fit her. I don't know. It was annoying though. Am I the only one that gets annoyed by that? I don't know. I just don't want to have to deal with the hassle of returns. If it's, you know, something that's wrong with the item, if there was like a stain that I missed or like a hole that I missed, then absolutely. But if it just doesn't fit you, I feel like you should have done your research more. I don't know. The more I say it, the more I'm like, Vanessa, you a bitch. Poshmark doesn't allow returns because of fit and they're a huge company. So I don't know. Comment down below and make me feel better or make me feel worse and be like, Vanessa, you're a snob. Guys, this is funny. I had to throw this one in there. Okay, this person said, I can't believe you're promoting violence in your recent video. I am unsubscribing. Okay, what they're talking about is in a recent video, I said that, I forget exactly how I worded it. I think I said somebody should be slapped, like they should have some sense knocked into them and they should be slapped. That's me promoting violence. I said these fraud resellers need some sense slapped into them. Like they need to smarten the fuck up, you know, like a smack across the face, smarten up. Kind of like, I know this is controversial, but kind of like Will Smith did to Chris Rock. Like people are like, that's promoting violence. It's like he smacked him across the face. It's not like he beat the shit out of him and left him unable to move. Like, relax. You guys must not be from the era where it's like, talk shit, get hit. It's not like he punched him in the face. You know, it's just a little slap across the cheek to be like, smarten the fuck up. You know, like, I don't know. I didn't think, I mean, okay, yeah, he did it on national TV in front of many people, but it was like in the moment talking about his wife. And I feel like Will Smith's trying to do anything he can to save his marriage. I don't know. I didn't think it was that bad. Again, it's not like he beat the shit out of him. People are like, violence is never the answer. It's like, it's okay. He's not in the hospital dead. He just, you know, maybe had a red mark on his cheek. Like it wasn't, you know. I wonder if these people that are so offended spank their kids. Like I don't, whoa, hold on. I don't spank my kids. I'm not for that. But you know, like it's kind of like the same thing, I guess. Does that make me a hypocrite though? No, I don't think it does. Because I don't think you should be smacking kids to knock sense into them because they're kids. They're still learning. But a grown-ass adult, yes. I'm not smacking my kids. I don't think that's okay. But I wonder, you know, if some of those people are like spanking their kids, you know? Anyway, to this person, you can unsubscribe all you want. It doesn't faze me. I wasn't promoting violence. They need a slap across the face to realize that the shit that they're doing is wrong. I don't know how else they're gonna realize it because especially like Nicole State, I got a message from one of you guys. Hold on, let me see if I can find it. Sorry, my battery died. So yeah, I got a message from one of you guys. I'm not gonna say her name, but it says, I'm so annoyed that Nicole State still has such a big following and she can sell successfully on Whatnot. I would love to do Whatnot auctions, but I don't think I have the following to do it to make money. I'm gonna figure out how to do it for sure because I really wanna be able to sell successfully on there. So yeah, I mean, she's moved on to, well, not moved on, but like added another platform where maybe a lot of people don't know her. So yeah, I totally get what this person's saying. It's annoying. But like I said, these resellers, like these frauds, like Nicole State, Sydney, they need some sense knocked into them because they're going to continue to do what they do best. Pros at being deceitful, frauding people, scamming people. So yes, absolutely, I do think they need some sense knocked into them. And that's not me promoting violence. It's not like I'm like, you know, they need the shit beat out of them. That's not what I'm saying. It's just like a smarten the fuck up, you know? That's it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below or send me a DM on Instagram. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KEEPINITRAD. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.